One of the ways that Afton helps our students to be successful after high school is the A+ Schools program. This is Mrs. Allen, the Director of College and Career Readiness. One of my duties is to oversee the A+ Schools program. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the background of A+, the benefits, the requirements, talk a little bit more about tutoring, mentoring, and where to find more information. One thing that is always confusing is when you hear the term A+, you think all students have to have straight A's in order to be an A+ student. That is not correct. A+ was started as a way to improve Missouri schools. At that time, the legislators and the governor saw that Missouri schools needed to be improved. Schools at that time were given a letter grade, A, B, C, D, just like we do our students. So in order to improve our schools, they came up with the A+ program with some incentives for our students to help improve the schools so that all Missouri schools could be rated an A+. So why A+? An A+ student who graduates with the A+ designation receives tuition and general fees at any Missouri Public Community College, State Technical College of Missouri, and partial tuition at Rankin paid by the state of Missouri. There are also numerous universities and colleges that offer A+ scholarships. These are out of their own funds. You have 4 years after graduation or after you complete your military obligation to use these funds. So even if you go away to a 4-year universities that do not offer an A+ scholarship and you come back to the community college as a full-time student, your A+ funds will pick in until you complete an associate's degree. So if you go away to school, let's say to University of Missouri-Columbia that does not offer an A+ scholarship, and something happens and you decide to come back to the Missouri Public Community College to STLCC, for example, as a full-time student, you can use your funds. You can also use it the very first summer after graduation, as long as you are a full-time student, no matter what you're going to do in the fall. One thing to understand is the Core 42. Senate Bill 997, which is fairly new, required all the public universities and community college in the state of Missouri to get together and look at what they are all offering and what similarities they had. So they developed these 42 credits that no matter where you take them in the state of Missouri, if you take it at a public post-secondary, it will transfer to another public post-secondary school. Central Methodist, Missouri Baptist, Avila, and Logan also have agreed to these Core 42. So if you take a class at St. Louis Community College, it should transfer to University of Missouri St. Louis, let's say as an example, as if you had taken that class at the University of Missouri St. Louis. Requirements: you must attend an A+ school 2 years prior to graduation. Most public schools in the state of Missouri and some private high schools in the state of Missouri are designated as an A+ school. So as long as you attend 2 years prior to graduation. So if you did not start at Afton, or if you transfer out of Afton and you go to another A+ school, as long as you attend a school for 2 years. We will talk about the other requirements in more details. One common question I always receive is, how do I complete these tutoring or mentoring hours? It does have to be tutoring or mentoring. It's not necessarily community service. Community service could include helping out with the APA, which is with animals. That would not count because that's not tutoring or mentoring. 12.5 hours could be job shadowing, and the most common ways Afton students complete these hours is cast crew leader, cadet teaching, summer school tutoring, tutoring after school, mentoring matters. But there are other ways. If you ever have a question about whether something will count as tutoring or mentoring, just email me and I will be glad to let you know. You must have math readiness. In order to be considered math readiness for A+, you must score advanced or proficient on Missouri Algebra 1 or higher math end of course exam. This could be Algebra 1 or Algebra 2. If you do not have that, the ACT math subscore is what is used to determine your math readiness. If you have a 2.5 or higher unweighted GPA, you need a 17. If you don't have a 17, but you have a 16 with a 2.8, you qualify, or a 15 with a 3.0, you qualify. Citizenship, no drugs or alcohol on or off campus from 9 to 12. That is non-appealable. So if we learn of a student who has been involved with drugs or alcohol on or off Afton campus, they are automatically disqualified from the A+ program. Afton also requires that no more than 10 days in school or out of school suspension over the 9 through 12. These are appealable. The other requirement is a 2.5 GPA that is unweighted, unrounded GPAs. If you take an honors class, we do not give the extra grade points for A+. You must sign up to receive the funding. After July 1st, you can go to Tyler Sys Parent Portal. On there is the A+ participation agreement under eForms as an optional form. Once you sign that up, you will be receiving status reports every quarter about your student's A+ status. More information can be found on the new Afton Success Ready website. You can see the link there. Here's what it looks like. You go to the A+ tab and it gives you the requirements, the tutoring form, scholarships, talks about tutoring and mentoring. If there's any opportunities that come up, they will be listed there, and how to use the A+ at St. Louis Community College. A majority of our students go to St. Louis Community College using the A+ funds. If you have any questions, please email me at mallen@aftonschools.net. Thank you, and I hope all of your students become an A+ student.